Hey everybody, welcome in. Tentacle Tech here for another episode of Tentacle Fitness. Today is We Can Do It Wednesday, so I'm posting another workout video to help motivate you to keep working out every day. So Monday we did yoga. Today we're gonna do some arms workouts, and it's just a quick 10 minutes. Just to start building that consistency. If you are just here for the first time, please do subscribe to me on YouTube. I'm trying really, really hard to make it to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll really appreciate it, and it would mean the heckin' world to me. And let's get started on our workout. I've already started my watch, so I'm ready. I'm tracking my workout on my watch, and now Siri's trying to listen to me. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with dumbbell shoulder press. If you don't have dumbbells, that is totally fine. You can use like candles, water bottles, just anything that has a little bit of resistance to it. We're not trying to like be bodybuilders here. We're just trying to, keep in nice shape and tone a little bit. All right, so we're starting with dumbbell shoulder press. So, like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and I like to tap the dumbbells together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, whoops. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's it for that workout. Next we go to dumbbell Arnold press. So for dumbbell Arnold press, I'm going to grab a chair, just anything to sit on, sit in, whatever. And all it is it's like you're lifting up the weights above your head, but you're also twisting them at the same time. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we take a 10-second break. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I like to be able to look at myself when I work out, so that way I can see, one, that my form is good, and two, that that I'm sexy. Like right now I look so heckin' manly, or womanly, or whatever, It just feels nice. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at those rippling pectorals. Okay, alright. Alright, next one. Seated rear delt raise. Alright, this one I'm switching weights for because I'm weak and 5-pound weights are too heavy for me for this exercise. So, yeah. Okay, so for this one, you're gonna lean over, okay, so that your torso is relatively parallel with the floor, sort of like flat on your thighs, and then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Look at your shoulders. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, definitely glad that I downgraded to the 3 pounds because I'm already struggling. All right, stretch it out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again. Last time. Here we go. Push through it. You can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh gosh. Okay. That's really tough. Okay. All right, we did it. We did it. All right. Next up. Side lateral raises. Here we go. I like these. I can do these. Okay, let's get this chair out of the way. All right, so dumbbells down by your sides, and then you bring your arms up to your shoulders like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that's it for that one. And then the last exercise is upright dumbbell row. So it's like dumbbell bent over row, except that you're standing up straight, which sounds weird, but it makes sense. Bring the dumbbells together, like touching, and bring them like right in front of your pelvis. I sort of like touch them on, never mind. Okay, and then you just bring them up to your chest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I think that was our third time. Sorry if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, do it one more time. But I think I'm right. All right? And that's it. That's your 10-minute workout. You're done. You're done for the day. Good job. Right? Not so hard. You can do it. High five. Good job. Go reward yourself with a glass of chalky milk. Everyone deserves a glass of chalky milk after they work out. Chalky milk is seriously like all joking aside, it's seriously so good after a workout. Like you have like the like healthy fats to like restore your stuff, and you have protein, and you have sugar to like boost your blood sugar. Like it's just great. It's just great. Drink a glass of chalky milk. If you have not already, please do subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I would really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. And then I think that the last thing is that this broadcast would not be possible without the help of our lovely patrons. So I just want to say a quick thank you to, starting at our Kraken tier, PW Self, Jimmy V1100, Deadman1362, Kirby Ninja. At our Octo tier, Juggy, Spookers, Supergirl Jess, Kitty Cat Cosplay. At our Cuttlefish tier, She's So Sandy, Chris Fortuna, Elfine, Baby Blueser, Saber, Capham, Hot Cocoa Maker, Cuttlefish Mermaid. At our Tentacle tier, Charmander, Vinyl, Eyes of Ashes, and AMC. Thank you all so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. And thank you all for heckin' watching the video. I really appreciate you so much. So thank you so much. If you'd like to become a patron, you can. There's a link down in the description. It's just $1 a month. I mean, there's other tiers, but you can start at just $1 a month, and you get all sorts of cool perks, and you get to be on the super secret inner circle, and it's super cool. So check it out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe. That's it. Yeah. All right. Have a great day. Bye.